Monique and welcome back to Two Modern Vegans. Today we are making vegan shrimp and grits. This dish is so good. Before we get into this recipe, guys, just take a moment to subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure you share this video. Not only are we making vegan shrimp and grits, we actually got a vegan shrimp replacement to put in this dish. Normally we make it with mushrooms, so if you can't find this vegan shrimp, don't feel like you can't make this dish. You do not need the shrimp per se. We just so happened to see it when we were in our local supermarket. We normally make it with oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms just go with everything. That and some vegan sausage, that's all you need. But we found the shrimp, guys, and it's delicious. So if you do see it in your supermarket, feel free to use it. If not, you can still make this dish. If you do want the link for the shrimp that we use, we'll link it below. All right, well, let's get into this recipe. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright guys, so we're going to start off making our marinade with 1/4 cup of plant-based milk, a tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of chipotle pepper, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 3 tablespoons of agave, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and a pinch of black pepper. We're going to go ahead and we're going to blitz that up in our blender, and we're going to blend it until smooth. When it's done, it basically should look something like this. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a small onion chopped along with minced garlic, and we're going to saute that until it's fragrant. Next, we're going to add in a cup of white wine, and we're going to reduce that about halfway, and then we're going to add in our vegan sausage and basically cook that until it's brown. This is the vegan shrimp that we used, and I'm going to go ahead and add it in one at a time. If you're not using vegan shrimp, it's okay. Now you can add your oyster mushrooms. So I basically added it one at a time in a single layer so that I can evenly cook it on both sides. Next, I'm going to add in our marinade. And as you can see, it's a little bit thick. So what we're going to do is add water to this in increments. I first added a half a cup of water, and then I mixed that up until it's well combined. And then I added in a small tomato, which I chopped up into pieces. And you want to cook this on low right now because you don't want the tomatoes to become overcooked. You want it to still have a bit of a bite to it. Next, I'm going to go in with another half a cup of water, and I'm going to mix that up until everything is well combined. Now you're going to turn off your fire, and you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter is going to help make this a bit creamy. So it basically should look something like this. We're going to put this to the side, and we're going to work on our grits. In a saucepan, we're going to add a cup of no chicken broth and a cup of plant-based milk, along with a pinch of black pepper. We're going to cook this until it comes to a slight boil, like so. And we're going to add in our grits slowly. And while you're adding the grits in, you want to continuously be whisking the grits because you don't want it to be lumpy. You want it to be creamy and you want it to be smooth. So that is the key to this dish. On low, slow. You're going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you're going to mix that up until it's well combined, along with 8 ounces of vegan cheese of your choice. We use smoked Gouda cheese. It gives the grits a great flavor. It is so good. And this is the end of our grits. It basically should look something like this. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate it. And of course, you're going to add your grits in first. And then you're going to add in the shrimp, the vegan shrimp and sausage mixture. And you're going to make your plate. And it basically should look something like this. It is so good, you guys. We hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. We topped it with some scallions, of course for the aesthetics. We hope that you enjoy this dish as much as we did. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoy this recipe. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. And also, leave us comments because we love to hear from you guys. If you do make this dish, send us a message, send us some pictures so that we can see what you did with this dish and how it came out. That's all for now, guys. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.